the Vtuvia SN100. Remove the shipping straps and open the box. Lift out the bike and remove the packaging. You'll find everything you need to assemble the bike, including pedals, manual, tools, and a charger with cables. Remove the cap from the stem, insert the frame, and secure the cap. Put the quick-release skewer into the wheel hub, place the fork over the tire, and secure the quick-release skewer. Unscrew the display screen, attach it to the handlebars, and secure the screws. Test the display. Release the lever, set the seat to the desired level, and tighten again. The pedals are marked R and L, indicating the side they should be installed on. Screw them in place. The battery can be removed by turning the key to the unlock position. Power on the bike, test the motor and lights. You're now ready to ride.